Hi guys. Tingnan mo, oh, tingnan nyo yung mga isda. Ayan, oh. Yung iba hindi gumagalaw. Malamig kasi, eh. Yung iba gumagalaw, yung iba parang tulog. Ayan guys, yung area, oh. Ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Ito yung park plots guys, ang lawak. Tingnan mo, parang uulan, oh. Hindi na maganda yung panahon. Ayan yung aming 2 araw na day off guys. Buhin. Gusto niya o the other side, eh? Ha? Ayan. Ayan. 3 kami. Naglakwatsa. Nagpahinga. Nag-day off. Oo. Aha. Sure na. Ito yung Kinderplatz. Pwede mag-golf. Pambata. Ganda. Ano si Ono excited, oh. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng ano, pwede mag-family. Ito, oh. Family bonding guys. Ang ganda rito. Matatagpuan nyo to sa Czech Republic. Yan yung out center. Dito kami nagpapamassage. Ayan. Guys, oh. Maraming isda dito. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya. Nakakatanggal ng pagod. Parang stress reliever yung area. Ang ganda. Sinapi nila ang Asian at saka Europe style. Ang ganda. Sure na?
Yeah. This is the same what we have, but
Yeah.
much more big and better. Sweet.
Uno las das. Spoy. Kahit ano inaamoy. Ang ganda ng napaka-creative guys ng pagkagawa. Was ist mir besser? Ein Hinterglim oder hier?
Viel besser, sagt sie. Aber so viele Bahnen.
Hier ist mir besser?
Ja, ja.
Ah,
So viele Bahnen. Auch nicht so viele complicated.
guys, ang ganda. Ito pwede. Sure na?
Yeah, we play here when it's open, huh?
Yeah.
Will we stay some days here?
Yeah. Gibt zusammen mit Victor ist mir besser, ha? Oder?
Yeah.
Pag pumayag. Ang hirap pala pag ang anak mo binata na, no? Hindi na basta-basta maaaya. Oy, das ist Puy. Schau mal hier auch. Der Golfplatz ist große.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Ganda.
Complicated to play. Immer.
Si Uno lahat na lang inaamoy.
Das ist der blöde 20er.
Diese?
Ja.
Ah.
Ich soll nicht mehr den nächsten.
Ja, dann bitte aufpassen. Oo nga, oh. Guys, ang ganda rito. Ano eh, ang pagkagawa niya, ginaya, yan na naman. Ginaya yung kinapi ng Asian style at saka European. Ganda. Ay guys, oh, may ano. Di ba? Kita nyo yan? Ang laki ng is that dinosaur, ya?
Ja.
Ang laki ng bibig ng dinosaur. Ayun, oh, ang dami. Ang dami rito.
I think in summer they have sea roses here.
I glaube. Look at that. That is the goddess one. This eh. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa, oh. Gawa sa made it by is that?
Marmor.
Marmol. Ang ganda. Is this auch fish?
Das ist, I think this
Teig?
is sea roses, honey. When it's in summer, this lips.
Okay. Ik ben niet zeker. Ik weiß es nicht genau. Pwede. Di ba yung green guys? Hindi siya lumot eh. Parang na-frozen na halaman. Ang tawag nito? Ha? Aha. Tingnan mo. Ang ganda ng area. In fairness, grabe ang ganda. Nice. Oh, you can bring your own snack things and sit down there.
Yeah.
It's really schön, ne?
We
Es ist
go in
alle
Adler
neu.
and take the apartment, us three with Uno,
Yeah,
and stay here for a while, huh?
yeah.
Sometimes come
Tingnan mo. Schatz, welche animal is that?
It's also a dinosaur, but ich weiß nicht, welches.
Sorry guys, wala ako
Vielleicht
masyadong
gibt es ein Schild.
alam sa mga animal.
Maybe there's a name.
Das ist auch eine Baby
The tail
Dinosaur.
is already kaputt, so.
Huh?
The tail, I think this one has an tail with
Grabe, ang ganda dito.
really nice here, huh?
Yeah.
Schau mal.
Yeah, this is eine Baby Dinosaur.
Na, das ist, das ist ein kleiner, aber das ist eine Flugsaurier.
Flugsaur, ja.
Yeah, this one can fly.
Ja,
This is the start of the bird, honey.
ja, diese.
From this dinosaur, the birds coming.
Ganda, ha? Ayun, start from the baby, tapos yun ang gaglabas. Start ng baby. Egg, and then break the egg, and then babies come, and then start to fly. Start to fly. Parang shortcut lang ang paliwanag, no? Guys, sorry ha. Hindi naman talaga ako magaling mag-deliver ng kung ano-ano. Ayan. What am I? Is this real? Yeah.
Schatz, I think we have civilization alert.
Was meinst du? Warum?
Can you not hear?
Nein.
In Austria, I think.
Warum? About the war?
Can be.
Yeah. What we should do?
This one I know, this is the Rex, honey. This one is the Rex.
The dinosaur, yeah?
Yeah.
Ang daming Buddha dito. That's our dinosaur.
Yeah. There's more when it goes around. What's that, the cat?
Hmm?
Yeah, cat. Huh?
Eine Katze?
Yeah. Who likes some?
Ich glaube, die sind noch nicht fertig.
Yeah, they build here more and more, honey. Every year it's growing.
Ang ganda rito, guys. Oh.
They make here new parking land for more and more people.
Yeah. Soll ich diese Katze mitnehmen?
Na, wir brauchen keine.
Ja, leider, wir haben keine jetzt Garden. Ganda, oh. Pwede ka rito, guys, maglaro. Ayan, mag-swimming tayo. Hindi pala swimming, mag-wings, Rico, makaupo nga. Ganda, guys, oh. Ito yung area. Iyon hindi pa tapos. Yan.
Schatz, it scared me now.
Warum? Natatakot ka.
It's nicht Samstag, nein?
Heute is Wednesday. Yeah, Mittwoch. Wednesday. Ganda doon, guys.
No alert on your handy, yeah?
Nein. Noch nicht. Schatz, ich bin noch in Austria. Wala tayo sa Austria. Can be also an accident, so don't stress yourself.
That's why it's too much alert.
We cannot do anything also even if the alert is there. We cannot help the war. So, enjoy your moment while you're walking. Tingnan mo, yung asawa ko na stress alarm. Kasi dito daw sa Europa, kasi nga sa war na to, yung mga tao nai-stress. Ayoko ma-stress. Guys, i-enjoy ko yung aking pagbibideo. At i-enjoy ko rin yung aking paglalakad. Hayaan natin yung war na yan. Oh, dahil wala talaga tayong magagawa ba, no? Ayoko rin manood ng balita. Kasi wala talaga ako, guys, magagawa. Kahit anong gawin ko, wala talaga ako magagawa. Kaya bawat minuto, i-enjoy na lang natin. Kaysa ma-stress tayo sa kakaintindi dyan sa nagbabatuhan ng mga nakakatakot. 'Di ba? Kaya ayoko na manood ng balita. Ayan. Enjoy nyo na lang, guys ang aking video. Pasensya na, hindi rin ako marunong mag-edit. Ito yung kabubuuhan na hindi ko alam kung nasaan na kami. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan, di pa tapos, guys, ha. Ito rin parang ginagawa pa. Guys, mayroon na namang crocodile. Ayan, yung ayan. Hindi siya crocodile. Mali-mali na naman pinagsasabi ko, sorry. Ayan, dinosaur pala to. Ayan.
It's not protect the people, make all kaputt.
Ja. Oder vielleicht, das ist schon lange kaputt.
Ja, aber die andere hat alle Zaun.
Ja. Tingnan mo, ang dami nang nasira. Oh. I think they will fix it later on. Ayan, guys. Thank you for watching. See you my next video. Bye for now.